Let's see how to create a dotted line with scissors in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now to create a dotted line with scissors, for example, if you want to show a particular line or where to cut something, first let's go ahead and head on over to the Insert tab. Now click on Shapes and click on Lines. Now go ahead and draw your line. Now let's change this shape outline into black and make it a bit thicker. Let's say 3. Now let's change it into dashes. For example, this one. Now let's also go ahead and insert our scissors. To do that, head on over to Icons. And right here, you can search for scissors. Now simply insert this into your document, rotate it to match the line. Now drag your scissors to the start of the line. Make sure that you change the text wrapping and place it in front of text to make sure that it stays in front of the line. And that is how you can create a dotted line with scissors in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.